Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in the Suzuki 2-button remote key fob. First we need to take our Phillips headed screwdriver and remove the screw from the top of the casing. We take the inner casing out by pushing it through the buttons, like so. We take our flat-headed screwdriver, and there is an indentation on the side where we pop the flat-headed screwdriver in and we twist to release the two casings, like so. This key fob takes a key fob battery with a part number of CR1616, like this one. We take a smaller screwdriver and we pop out the old key fob battery like this one. We take our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing, like so. Make sure that the writing is facing downwards and the positive key fob battery part is facing upwards towards you. Pop the key fob housing back together, like so. Pop it back in with the key fob blade. Get the cover and we screw it back down with our Phillips screwdriver. Like so. And we go out and test it. Make sure it is all okay. And then we are ready to go.